Okay, we got our head all done. Last thing we want to do is do our wig for this guy. We got the eyes in, got the back of the head back on. So if you ever have to get inside to make any kind of repairs or get in there, there's 2 screws here. You unscrew, this back will come right off. All you have to do is just unhook the back of the wig. So we're going to staple this on. Get this up here where we want it. So we're just going to staple this on. It's going to hold that part on. Then we'll come to the back. That's all we have to do for that. So like I say, if you ever have to get inside, just pop the staples off so you can get to those screws and unscrew that. So now all we have to do now is just trim the hair where we want it. Get it combed out and trim it down. So we'll give them a little haircut there. And then we have these eyelashes we're going to use. And these are just stick-on, so we'll put them on here. These are very inexpensive. You can get these in any store for under $5. And periodically you'll need to change them because they'll get loose and they won't stick so well. So, but they'll work for a while. Then you gotta regularly just change them up a little bit. So we're going to give him a haircut here, and then we'll come back with the next step. And get the body and everything worked. So, thanks for watching.